So you got paid your first real paycheck? Money's actually yours, and there's this really strong urge to just spend it. New shoes, food delivery, whatever's been sitting in your cart for weeks. And look, you can do that. But here's what nobody tells you about that first paycheck moment. What you do with it sets the pattern for basically every paycheck after it. Here's a simple way to split it that actually works, especially when the amount isn't huge yet. Roughly half goes to stuff you actually need. This is pretty minimal for most teens since you're probably not paying rent. But things like transportation, phone bill contribution, that kind of thing. About 30% is genuinely yours to enjoy, guilt-free. This is the part people forget to budget for. And then they blow the whole thing because they never gave themselves permission to spend some of it. And the last 20% goes straight into savings. Before you even see it as spendable money, that last part is the actual trick. Move it out of sight immediately, the separate account, envelope, whatever, before your brain gets used to seeing that number as available. Money you never see spending ready is money you basically never miss. Now, the mistake basically everyone makes, not just teens. Lifestyle creep. Every time you get a little more money, your spending quietly rises to match it. First paycheck, you upgrade your phone plan. Next one, food delivery becomes a habit instead of a treat. Before long, you're earning more than ever and somehow still have nothing saved. The fix isn't complicated. It's just annoying. Every time your income goes up, force at least half of that increase straight into savings before you get used to spending it. One more thing worth doing early. Track where it actually goes for just the first month. Doesn't need to be fancy, a notes app is fine. Most people are shocked by how much disappears on stuff they don't even remember buying. You can't fix a leak you can't see. None of this means don't enjoy your first paycheck. Genuinely, spend some of it on something you want. That's part of the point. Just don't spend all of it. And don't let this paycheck's habits become next year's habits without you ever deciding that on purpose. Next video, we're getting into something you actually need to hear. The scams specifically targeting people your age right now and how much money teens and young adults are losing to them without realizing it until it's too late. Subscribe if you'd rather know this before it happens to you.